Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be breaking this down in 3 different parts. We'll be going over the lap counter that didn't work out too well. We'll be going over the designing process. And third, we'll be going over the new lap counter that I ended up designing and creating. Make sure to stick around for that third part to see how we made it better. And at the end of the video, if you want to stick around, I'll show you how I use this inside of the pool. They had these here for lap swimming, but I wanted a 3D print one, and so they have the lap pool here, and I really like swimming in the lap pool. And for the laps here, it's 36 laps per 1 mile, and so we're gonna make one that's 36 instead of just 18, and we'll have increments at every quarter mile. Here's the lap counters that you can find at the pool. They don't go up to 1 mile, and then this one's the old one that I made before that broke. I've done this mile before, and this was the mile that I did with the old lap counter. You didn't get to see much of me swimming in this one, so it almost seems like I'm not even swimming. So that's why later on in this video, I do this whole mile with the new counter.
Here we go. What's up, everybody? Got this going here. This is on the final segment. Now, we have all of these printed over here too. And we have to print all of these colors so that they can fit onto the new shaft of the model. So, see you there.
We got to finishing the last of these colors. 3D printing makes this really easy, and being born in this time is a blessing, and I'm super grateful for that. Before, I was using some adhesive to adhere these. In this, I made a little dimple to try these at first to make sure that these could stay in place and not come off. But what I ended up doing anyways was, let's see, you end up making a bunch of different renditions of another dimple thing with 3 dimples because that didn't work out too well. But what I ended up on was the wedge process here. And so I have 3 wedges that will slide in and fit into my feet for this design. Let's go ahead and snug this right in. And it's a press fit. So once you get it in there, it stays really well. These wedges help to really secure it into place. If you like ASMR, I do have a little segment here of some ASMR. So if you're here for that, here it is. Now for some swimming and some music.
Good luck.
Hey, as always, it's always great to have everybody watching. Love you all. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you all in that next video. Peace.